I'm sorry. I'm gonna throw the gun away. Look. Oh, God, you have no idea how cold this water is. Charlie.
So long, Vic.
Don't you want to know where the money is?
I know where the money is. It's in the backseat of the Benz.
Not a chance. Not a chance.
Done talking to you, Vic. I'm through listening to you.
If you don't believe me, look for yourself. Only hurry. Hurry. I can't feel my legs. I'm dying here. I'm dying. Charlie. God damn it. I know what I did was wrong, but Jesus. Fucking. Ah! I'm shot, Charlie. I can't pull myself up. Please. Please. Our Father, who art in heaven, hallowed be his name, because we are kingdom come, and will be done. And give us every day our bread, because we gotta eat. Charlie, is that you? Charlie! I knew it. I knew it. You're a good man, Charlie. You're a good man.
Vic, I wouldn't want you to die alone.
No! 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 Vic! Vic, hold on! Hold on, Vic! Vic!
Silent nights, holy nights. Lord, it's Christmas, and everything's right. Round young virgin, mother and child. Holy infant, yes, tender and mild. Sleep in the heavenly peace, peace.
Is that all?
Sleep
Yeah.
in the heavenly peace.
Stocking stuffers.
Big spender.
Do you have any kids?
No.
Then shut the fuck up. Bag it.
Hello? Charlie?
Renata,
I just about given up.
I fucked up. Vic's dead.
What about Roy Gillis?
He's dead too.
Why don't you come over? I'll wait here for you. The front door's open.
I don't see the point. I mean, I don't have the money. Vic died before he told me where it was.
You know what? Money isn't everything.
Excuse me?
You know what I said before? It's true, isn't it? You're in love with me.
Yeah. Sure, I guess. Still gotta ask you something.
What?
I don't have it yet. Sorry.
But you coming over?
Yeah, sure.
See ya.